I'd like to talk to you today about identity theft. Identity theft is one of the most prevalent crimes throughout the United States, and from a statistical standpoint, probably the leading numerical crime in South Florida. Uh, Identity theft is governed both in the state and federal courts by different statutes. In the state court, it's found in Florida Statute 817.568. Different penalties are provided for different actions under that statute, depending on the amount of access devices, for instance, credit cards or number of Social Security numbers which are stolen. It also provides for minimum mandatory sentences, again, depending on the amount of access devices and or identification documents which can be stolen. The federal statute, which governs the prescription of identity theft, is found in Title 18, United States Code, Section 1028 and 1028A. Again, depending on the type of theft that's committed and the amount of theft that's committed, the penalties can be anywhere from 15 to 30 years in jail under the federal statute, and the aggravated identity theft statute, 1028A, provides a consecutive sentence to those already committed up to 5 years in certain circumstances, and perhaps more depending on the amount of the access devices taken. I've defended many of these cases in the state court. I was fortunate in helping a woman who unfortunately had come to the United States and stolen the identity of a dead infant. Because there was a statute of limitation problem and we were able to research the issue and gain control of the case, we were able to obtain a probationary sentence for the woman, even though her identity documents had been obtained and were those of a dead infant. In federal cases, I've handled many of these cases as well. Cases involving one individual which comes to mind involved a person who worked for a law firm and had access to the LexisNexis database, who had stolen tens of thousands of Social Security numbers and other personal identification documents. We handled that case as well. My name is Michael B. Cohen. I've got the kind of experience you need to help you in this field. Please call me.